And what's up, everybody? On deck with Third Eye Cam. Check this out. It's like 5:41 in the morning. I don't know if this is a drone, but it's slowly moving. I just spotted it. I came out, took my look at the sky, and this thing showed up. It's not moving, like a jet. I'm trying to see if it's a chopper, but it's orientating from red to blue. It's just going around in circles. I cannot make it out. Today is April 14th, 2021. This is throwing me off. There's a jet below it. There. I think that's a jet. This thing's just sitting. That might be a drone, I don't know. Damn it. Hold on. I can't get my camera to focus on it. But it was just sitting in the air just now, and then it's starting to kind of peel out, and it's going in really short circles. So either that's a helicopter or something else. A helicopter, drone, or other. It's not a jet. I'm gonna take a look through my night vision, so hold on. Alright, so I just took a look at it with my binoculars, and it's just sitting there floating. Now I'm gonna have to go in and get my camera. It's kind of moving around. I think it's I would like to say it's a chopper. I don't know. I don't hear any noise coming from it though. You can usually hear a chopper at that range. It's definitely not a plane. It's behaving like it would be a chopper or a drone. Alright, so I'm gonna get my 35mm. If it's still there, I'll get it. I initially wanted to show y'all the sky, and I was gonna take a quick look at this thing. This is Jupiter or Mars. That's back out to the east, and then I saw this thing and it's still floating there. So I'm about to go get my 35mm and get in close. Alright, poof. Because now it's coming back. Alright, so I just put my lone scope on it. It's kind of still sitting there, hovering, moving real slow. That's what it looks like through my camera. I don't know what that is, y'all. Hold on. It's kind of moving behind the trees. Damn, now I gotta fix it back. But it's on my camera right here. Like I said, I was headed to work, and it's just kind of sitting there, and I can't find it again. Anyways, you can see it right there. I'm about to jump in my car, and hell, I'm probably gonna lose it by that time if it still ain't moving. But that's it. So, all right, this was kind of a waste. I was caught off guard by this. It's kind of just sitting there. I don't know if it's a drone or a chopper. It's just sitting there. Alright, we'll be back. Poof. Alright, so same day, the time is 5:58. That's what I got it in my night vision. My camera. So there it is right there over that rooftop. Still blinking, you can see it. And what I did was put my scope on it, and you can see it through there, kind of just going in circles. So that has to be a drone. I don't know, it's really hard to tell. It's just kind of going back and forth. You can see my camera running, and I'm having to use my camera so that we can see it clearly through it's trying to run out, so let me adjust it. Let me do a slight adjustment. There it is. That's hard to tell what that is. I'm almost inclined to say it's a drone. Still running away. I'm on my tripod, so I'm on this thing. and I can still see it moving back this way. All I know is it was over the treetops when I came out, and let me take the display off. Hold on, see if I can do this without shaking my camera. There we go. Took the display off. So y'all think that's a drone? And it's blinking red and blue mechanically. And it's moving again. It's like it'll move, stop, move, stop. I'm trying to inch my camera over so it. Maybe it's a drone. See the blue on it? It's actually turning this way. And now it's going up. Now it's moving fast. It was just hovering. Let me back my camera up. Now I wish it would come this way. Looks like it's headed east. Because when I first came out, it was headed, it was actually sitting in my area. And that camera started back. And I lost it. My camera's not working with me. Tech is not working with me. Anyways, that's it right there. I'm gonna go investigate. So y'all hang tight. All right, poof.